Dream Chasers,
and today we are making homemade ice cream. You have to use 1 cup of milk.
and we have a little bag.
We also have to add some vanilla. And we also have some sugar. We'll have to do 2 tablespoons of it. So let's start. I'm gonna hold the bag, and Suri, you pour the milk in.
Hold. And now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. One. 2. So now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
Now we're gonna close the bag and we're going to shake it for a while until it seems like all the sugar has disappeared. Now we're gonna put this mixture on the side and start with the other mixture.
We put 3 cups of ice in this bin, and
We need 1/3 of salt.
So now we're gonna put the ice in this big bag.
Now we have to put the salt into the big bag. This mixture will freeze up the mixture we had before, and this will turn into ice cream.
And now we're gonna stir the salt and the ice together.
Gotta get all the air out. We need to put this into the big bag, and then we have to shake it for 7 minutes. This mixture is gonna get really cold, so it'd be best if you use some mittens while doing it. It is 4:25 and we need to mix this for 7 minutes, so it will be 4:32 when we have to finish.
Now I'm gonna mix it. So now we mix both mixtures up together, and we are going to see if it's ice cream.
Is it?
Yep.
It feels hard like ice cream, so we're gonna try it to see if it actually worked.
So now we're gonna put it in bowls.
You gotta scoop it out. I'll put some for me. Now we're going to add some sprinkles. I think that's good. And let's try it. It's ice cream.
It's good. We made ice cream.
We made ice cream.
Please subscribe and watch our other videos. Bye.
Mm-hmm.